Hi guys, next padlock that we're going to pick is an ABUS. It's the model 7240. It's a small lock, works perfectly, almost new. I actually use it quite a lot. I'm locking my keys on it for some other locks, and I like to carry it around with me when I need to lock something like a suitcase or my backpack. I had it a while, and why I love it. First of all, the bitting is quite challenging. It's a 5-pin, I believe. And second, when you try to pick it, it gives really a lot of resistance. It also gives great feedback, but if you can't tension it proper, it will take you a while to pick it. So let's try and do that now on camera, see if we are going to be successful. Keep in mind, I have not picked this lock in a while, and I mean a long while, because I really have used this lock. The best thing about this lock is that you can remove the core, do any modifications on it that you want, repin it, and you can put it back together. If I remember correctly, because I had it more than a year, and there are spools inside. Don't remember how many, but we will cut it afterwards. So we will see what's inside. Well, they do behave like spools, so there should be spools. Let's see, who is next? Who is asking to be picked? Number 1, I think, huh? Yes, it was number 1. 2 seems to be set, 3 seems to be set, 4, 5, yeah, 5 pins, okay. So pin 1 again, no. 2 seems to be set, 3, and 3, I think 3 is given. A little bit. And open. And if I don't break my pick, let me try with something else. Here we go. Open. Lovely, lovely little lock. If you're able, get your hands on a core like that, because it's a very nice training lock. So let's see if we can quickly get it. So it requires a Phillips screw. Unfortunately, I don't have one handy. Well, I will need to get one. Excuse me guys, I'll be right back. So, let's use one of these multifunctional tools to get it. It's a lovely, lovely lock, I really like it. So that's the core. Here, so okay, this is a C-clip. So you could put a 6th pin inside, which is awesome. Let's have a very quick look if it's 6-pin or... It is a 6-pin actually. Sorry guys, I lied to you. It's a 6-pin lock. Very nice. Okay, let's drop out the pins first. I think it will be easier. So starting from here. Standard, 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 standard. Good. So now let's remove the C-clip. and make a total mess of everything, because that's something that is very likely to happen. Okay, that came that rather easy. So let's turn it a little bit and we will get it. Start it on the back. Oops. So it's a spool. The next one is a spool. And another spool. Spool again. Come on out. Another spool. And number one is missing. How is it possible? Hello? Am I missing a pin? Where is my... Ah! Okay, so it's out. Sorry. Didn't feel it. Okay, so that is the core. Very nice machining. Nothing special on it. If you like it at one point, I might do something on it. That's the housing. Also nice. And let me show you the pins. Just let me move them a little bit around so that you can have a better view. So there you have them. So normal, spool, another spool, spool, spool. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Keep it safe and keep it legal, guys. Thanks.